week, we're shining a spotlight on people in the region who are helping others. In this Mental Health Awareness Month, we're introducing you to a woman encouraging people to take care of their minds.
Absolutely. Portia Grigsby is on the front lines offering free workshops to encourage men, women, and children to take that first step to get the help they need, and she's this week's DMV Doer. Tell us about the BGH Foundation. What is the focus?
The focus is bringing good health everywhere. That's what we're focusing on. We're do outreach to women, men, and children to improve their quality of life, specifically in regards to mental health. A big part of our foundation is our mental health clinics. We have an outpatient mental health clinic in Maryland, and we have one in Pennsylvania.
Years ago, mental health was such a taboo topic. Are you telling people that it's okay now to ask for help or to seek help?
Yeah, absolutely. It's always okay to ask for help and seek help. I think, you know, there was a time where people were timid. I think people are coming out of the closet more and more. But they have to know that it's a safe space to do so. And that's what we provide. People experience so many things, and they want to talk to someone who understands their plight.
Talk about this workshop that you have in May. Talk about the focus.
So May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and we are doing a mental healing retreat, if you will. So we have a series of workshops. You will have group sessions that focus on parenting skills and trying to cope as a single mother and how to navigate that pathway. We are going to be doing therapeutic exercises like sound healing and yoga and meditation. We're going to talk about coping skills and communication and organization skills, how to navigate different resources to help you heal.
What does success look like?
For me, I think success is when people can actually come up to you or say that you made a difference in my life, you know, that I'm now eating better. And I didn't know the connection between food and my mental health. And I've been depressed for so many years. And now I can come out of the darkness. Now I can come out of the hole. That is what success looks like to me.
And again, Elisa, these workshops are free, but you must register. And they're also going to have free mental health screenings. Again, the BGH Clinic, they offer a variety of services, but this month it's about raising awareness and getting people engaged.
No, I love that. Anytime you can talk about mental health and ways to cope and finding resources, I'm all in. Love that. Great story.